In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a resume in Notion. We'll start right inside Notion. Look to the very top left of your screen and click the small drop-down arrow. This opens the main menu, which is where Notion keeps quick access to pages, workspaces, and tools you'll use to set this up smoothly. From that menu, click Templates. This takes you to Notion's built-in template picker, so you don't have to design your resume layout from scratch. Next, in the template window, click Templates again to jump into the full marketplace experience. This view makes it easier to browse professionally designed layouts and see previews before you add anything to your workspace. It's especially handy if you want a clean starting point you can customize in minutes. Now, head to the search bar and type Resume. Give it a second to load all the results. You'll see a range of styles: minimalist, one-pagers, creative designs, and more detailed layouts. Skim the previews and read the short descriptions to spot a structure that fits your background. If you prefer a classic format, look for simple headings like summary, experience, education, and skills. If you're switching careers or have projects to showcase, consider a template with projects or highlight sections. Once you've found a design you like, select the template to open its preview. Take a quick look at the sections and formatting so you know what you'll be customizing. When you're ready, click Add. Notion will place a copy of that template into your workspace. If you're prompted to choose where to add it, pick the page or workspace where you plan to manage your job search so everything stays organized. With the template added, it's time to edit. Replace placeholder text with your details, starting from the top. Keep your summary brief and targeted. Under Experience, include your role, the organization, dates, and the impact you had. Focus on results and measurable outcomes. Update education and certifications with accurate titles and dates. Fill in skills with tools and competencies relevant to your target roles. Feel free to rename or remove sections you don't need and drag blocks to reorder the page so the most important information appears first. Keep spacing consistent, use clear headings, and maintain a clean, scannable layout. If the template includes extra elements like icons, dividers, or callouts, keep only what supports readability. Save a version for each role you apply to by duplicating the page, then tailor keywords and highlights to match the job description. And that's it. Your resume is now built in Notion and ready for refinement whenever you need it.